10 lines on rainy season. Welcome to Genius Pratham and Mom. For more videos, subscribe this channel and press bell icon. Rainy season is also known as monsoon season. Rainy season starts after very hot days of summer season. In India, usually it starts from June and ends in September. Rainy season gives happiness to all, like adults, kids, animals, birds, etc. Beautiful rainbow appears in the sky during rainy days. In rainy season, rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. are filled with water. This season is very important for farmers. Crops and trees get water through rain. During this season, we can see green and beautiful atmosphere around us. Rainy season is my favorite season. Thank you. Don't forget to like this video and click on subscribe and press bell icon for more videos.